Nothing creates a mess quite like toys. They have a special way of multiplying at a rapid speed. I'm Emma, and I'm here to help show you some really efficient ways to keep your kids' toys organized. The very first step is to sort out what you want to keep, what you can donate to people in need, and what you should throw out. Let the rest of the family join in. You might be surprised how much stuff kids are willing to let go of. Now that you've decided what toys to keep, group them together in categories so that you can get a better sense of what size and type of storage you'll need for them. Pick the best type for each. Would they work best in boxes, displayed on shelves, or hung on hooks? Now let's build the main storage. Look at the height of your wall space in terms of zones and how the kids might see them. First, start at their eye level. Think of this as a greatest hits zone. That's where we want to place their most loved toys. And below that, I like to call the easy access zone. Place their bulkier items like building blocks down here. And up high, well, that's the not without your parents zone. All of the toys that they'll need adult supervision to play with. Sometimes it can be hard to remember what goes where, especially for kids. That's why we like to label storage with pictures of its contents. And another time saver is to skip storing your kids' most favorite toys altogether. If they enjoy playing with something every day, then why just not leave it out on display? This way you'll never have to go searching for it, which saves a ton of time. Keep a box or a bag in the room at all times so that you can routinely donate toys your kids have moved on from. And last but not least, keeping a few storage bins on wheels around the house can be a lifesaver when it comes to tidying up random messes. Try to go for one that doesn't scream toy box and disrupt the style of your home. Then throw in rogue toys during the day and pull them back to their regular storage spot before the kids head off to bed. Happy planning!